Independence now with a roof completely torn off of one building there.
Yeah, the owner of the Tot Shop joins us now live on the phone. This is on Highway 24. Gary Conister joining us. Gary, are you out there this morning to take a look at the damage yet?
Yes, I have.
And what does it look like from your perspective?
Well, it's wet inside, and about 3/4 of our roof, maybe a little more, is folded up now in our parking lot. When we first saw it, it was out in the middle of 24 Highway, and about 35, 40 minutes ago, something like that, they managed to get it pushed off of the roadway so that at least the highway is open.
So Gary, what's next for you?
Oh, wow. Like I said, it's wet inside. As soon as we get enough daylight, we'll start trying to assess what we've got to do inside. At this point, we don't even really know. No power, of course. And, yeah, it looks like we're going to have fun.
Thank you so much for joining us, Gary. We're sorry you and your family are dealing with this. What a mess. You can just kind of hear the disappointment in his voice, I think, this morning, as he knows that he's got a long road ahead there, cleaning up and restoring his business. Aaron, it is miraculous what hurricane force winds can do.
Absolutely.